Okay, so a storage tank will have a circular base of radius r and a height of r. The tank can either be cylindrical, so it'll be like that, or hemispherical, which means something like this, right? So that's the r and this is the r. So this A, we want to simplify an expression for the ratio of the volume. So the volume of hemispherical tank to its surface area. So that's volume over surface area, which is 4 over 3 pi r cubed all over 4 pi r squared. So that gets reduced, the 4 gets reduced to give 1 over 3 r cubed over r squared. That gets reduced. 3 minus 2 is 1. So that's the ratio. Write it and simplify an expression for the ratio of the volume of the cylindrical tank to its surface area. So the volume for that is pi r squared times height, which is r, divide by the surface area is 2 pi r squared, which represents the area of the top and bottom, times by the side, which is 2 pi r h, which is also r. So this is pi r cubed times by 1 over, right? This is 2 pi r, so this is plus 2 pi r squared plus this. So I'm going to factor out 2 pi r, and then left with an r plus, actually this is also 2 pi r squared. So that's 4 pi r squared. Okay, so pi gets reduced. You have 1 over 4 and you have 1 r left on the top. Okay, compare the ratio of the volume of the surface area of the two tank. This is larger than this. Okay. Compare the volume of the two tanks. So for D, volume of this was pi r squared times r, so it's pi r cubed, versus this one, this is, so actually they use 4 over 3 here, but it should have been 2 over 3 because it's hemisphere. My bad. So 2 over 3 means I'm gonna actually have, when I reduce this, I still have a 2 left at the bottom. So it's actually 1 over 6. Okay, so good thing I caught that. But the volume for this is 2 pi r cubed over 3, okay? The full sphere is 4 over 3, so half of it must be just 2. That this is bigger, it's right there. Do you see that part is exactly the same? But this is 2/3 of that, right? So this is bigger. Okay, and in fact, the ratio will be just, right? If you do this divided by that, so the larger cylindrical shell, cylindricals or cylinder versus the hemisphere, it's going to be 1 divided by 2 over 3, which is 3 over 2. Okay, 1 divided by 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. So this is actually 50 times larger, right? 50% larger than this one.